In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add extensions in Microsoft Edge. Extensions can add helpful features to your browser like ad blocking, password management, or productivity tools, and installing them safely takes just a moment once you know where to look. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Make sure the browser window is active and you're signed into the profile where you want the extension to live, especially if you use multiple profiles for work and personal browsing. Keeping Edge up to date is a good idea too, because the latest version ensures better compatibility and security for new add-ons. Next, look to the top right corner of the browser window, just to the right of the address bar, and find the extensions icon. It looks like a small puzzle piece. Click it to open the Extensions menu. If your toolbar is crowded or you use a compact layout, the icon may appear alongside other controls, but the puzzle piece imagery will help you spot it quickly. From the menu that opens, select Get Extensions for Microsoft Edge. This takes you to the official Microsoft Edge Add-ons website. Think of this as the trusted storefront for browser extensions. Browsing here helps you avoid risky downloads and ensures the extension has gone through basic checks. Now, use the search bar at the top of the add-on site to find the extension you want. You can type a name, a function, or a brand you're interested in. Before you install, scan the details page. Look at the star rating, the number of reviews, the publisher's name, and the description to confirm it matches what you need. Compatibility notes and screenshots can also give you a quick sense of how it works. When you're confident, click the Get button on the extensions page. Edge will then show a prompt summarizing the permissions the extension needs. Read these carefully. For example, some extensions require access to read and change data on websites you visit, manage downloads, or interact with your tabs. Ask yourself whether those permissions are necessary for the feature you want. If they make sense and you're comfortable, click Add Extension to complete the installation. Edge will download the extension, add it to your browser, and usually display a confirmation. Some extensions place an icon near your address bar, while others work quietly in the background. If you ever need to review or manage it later, remember you can return to the Extensions menu to adjust settings or remove it. That's all there is to it. Open Edge, click the puzzle piece, go to the add-ons site, choose your extension, review permissions, and add it. Happy browsing, and enjoy customizing Microsoft Edge to fit your needs.